cursive letter capital A to capital Z. This is the letter A, B, C, D and E. These are in cursive. While writing the cursive letter, you have to keep in mind that you write the letter at once and don't raise your hand in between. Okay? जब आप लिखना स्टार्ट करोगे तो एक बार में ही आपको लेटर कंप्लीट करना है, हाथ आपको नहीं उठाना है. तो चलो बच्चों देखते हैं कैसे करके हम लोग कर्सिव राइटिंग लिखेंगे A to Z. Okay, now the first letter A, you have to start from the blue line to red line, then down, up, once again from here down, up, like this. Okay, now the letter B. B starts from the red line. Okay, like this. Once again from red line to blue line, like this. Now let us see. C starts from the line blue. Blue line से हम लोग start करेंगे. Like this. Once again up and down, like this. Now this is the cursive letter D. We will start from the line, red line, like this, by touching the blue line. Once again okay, now this is the letter E. Starts from here, first blue line above, like this. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are the capital letter A, B, C, D and E. Now we go to the letter F, G, H, I and J. F starts from here, like this. Once again like this. Now the letter G. G starts from here, blue line to red line and down, like this. Okay, this is the capital letter G in cursive. This is the letter H. Here line, like this. Okay, this is the letter H. Now come to the letter I. From here, from blue line to red line, like this. I. Now we are going to write the letter J. From here to red line, get a red line, then blue line. Okay, now these are the letters F, G, H, I and J. Now we are going to learn how to write the letter K, L, M, N and O. Okay, starts from here. Once again like this. Now the letter L. L starts from here. Okay, from blue line to red line, then down, like this. L. Now we are going to write the letter M. M starts from the blue line to red line, down, up and down, up, down, up and down. Okay, now the letter N. then like up, down and up. Once again up, down and up. Now the letter O. O starts from the red line. Okay, red line like this. Now children, we are going to write the cursive letter P, Q, R, S and T. Look at here how to write the letter P. From red line down like this. Q. Q starts from the blue line. Blue line to red line, then Q. Blue line to red line, then like this, Q. Now R. This is the letter R. We are going to write from the red line to blue line. R. This is the letter S. Starts from the blue line like this. Okay. This is the letter T. T. These are the letters P, Q, R, S and T. Now the letter U. U starts from here. U. Then V. Now the letter W. These are the letters U, V and W. Now we are going to write the letter X. Once again X, then Y, Y, then Z. Up, down and like this. Okay, thank you kids.